Just an update on he's got the left floor pads beneath the back seat almost done, and he has to come back and cut out this side and start welding in the part there, and then the floor will almost be completely done, and I can start vacuuming and cleaning and putting sound deadener back in, and then the new rugs, and then the new carpets, then the interior. So that's an update for now, and I'll keep you posted on what happens next. Stay tuned. As the morning sun rises, I wanted to show you what I did yesterday. I had the whole car masked off, and I installed new vinyl roof paint, because original vinyl still has nice grain, and I wanted to look nicer for the new owner. So I decided to invest in this product, Duplicolor vinyl and fabric, and it really brought the color out. And I took off all the emblems and masked it all off and applied the product, and there it is. It's kind of like a paint, I guess you'd say, but it has a flex agent which allows it to be pushed on with the padded roof and not flake off. So it really makes the color look good, and when I get the body polished up, it should look good, I think, with that. So again, I'm not monetized, I'm just trying to give you guys, tell you what I use, a Duplicolor vinyl and fabric spray. It really made this roof look nice again. All right, so when you see it again, I hope to have the body all shiny. All right, I'll see you all down the road.